In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google Drive from Canva. If you've ever connected these two platforms and now find that it's time to unlink them, for whatever reason, maybe for organizational purposes, or just to have better control over your file integrations, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and make this process simple and straightforward for you. First, what you'll want to do is open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive. This can be easily done by typing drive.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a quick moment to ensure you're logged into the correct Google account that you're looking to modify. It's important to double check because you might have multiple accounts, and making changes in the wrong one could lead to a bit of confusion down the line. Now that you're in Google Drive and you've confirmed it's the right account, you'll need to access the settings. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see an icon that looks like a gear. This is where you'll click to open the settings menu, a small action that opens up a world of options for you to customize your Drive experience. With the settings menu open, your next step is to click on Manage Apps. This section is designed for viewing and controlling any third-party applications that might be connected to your Google Drive. And for today's tutorial, the focus will be on finding Canva within that list. Scroll through until you see Canva. If you have a lot of apps connected, this might take a second, so don't worry if you need to slowly work through your listed apps. Once you've located Canva, you'll notice a small icon comprised of 3 vertical dots next to it. This icon is often used in Google interfaces to denote a menu of additional options. Click on those 3 dots and you'll see the option to uninstall or disconnect. When you choose to uninstall Canva from here, you'll be essentially removing its access to interact with your Google Drive. But don't worry, this action won't delete any of your design files or personal data from Canva itself. It simply cuts the connection with Google Drive. After clicking uninstall, you might see a confirmation prompt just making sure you want to proceed. Go ahead and confirm, and with that you've successfully disconnected Google Drive from Canva, and there you have it, you're all set. You've achieved the goal of unlinking Canva from your Google Drive, hopefully making your digital workspace just a little more organized. Remember, you can always reconnect them later if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below.